Yeah, I'm gonna show you real fast how to use your Amazon Echo as a speaker for your phone. Alright, so go to the settings right here. You can hard press or just go to settings and go to Bluetooth. Once you're in Bluetooth, just click Echo Dot. And
now connected to Jamal's iPhone.
boom. Now you can play different music. You can go on YouTube, play YouTube on there. For example, let's go to one of my YouTube videos. Let's go to this one because I like this one. How to make nut. Let's go to this one. My cool intro video. There you go. It's real simple. Nothing to it but to do it.